A 220 volt input is supplied to a transformer. The output circuit draws a current 2 ampere and 440 volt. If the efficiency of the transformer is 80%, the current drawn by the primary winding of the transformer is. इस क्वेश्चन में प्राइमरी वाइंडिंग में कितनी करंट फ्लो हो रही है वो फाइंड आउट करना है. इट मीन्स आईपी फाइंड आउट करना है. एंड प्राइमरी वोल्टेज इज गिवन 220 वोल्ट एंड secondary current is 2 ampere and secondary voltage 440 and efficiency is 80%. It means 0.8. Eta equal to 0.8. Eta equal to Vs into Is oblique Vp into Ip. It means power in secondary coil divided by power in primary coil. So Ip is equal to Vs Is oblique Vp into eta. After putting the values, we can find out the current in the primary set, which is 5 ampere approximately.